Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Source3 to GitHub. Step 1. Download Source3 from source3app.com and install it to your computer. Step 2. Go to your GitHub account settings and then go to Developer Settings and then Personal Access Tokens, and then you should create a new token with repo permissions. Step 3. Launch Source3. Go to Tools, Options, Authentication, and then click Add. Step 4. Select GitHub as the host type. Paste your token and enter your username, and then click OK to save it. Step 5. Now you can use Source3 to clone, commit, push, or pull directly from your GitHub repositories. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.